Dealing with fussy little eaters is no child's play. KFC chicken nugget emerge as the saving grace when it comes to finding a scrumptious snacks for your kids. With this recipe, you no longer need to rush to the nearest KFC outlet every time your kids are hungry. You will need boneless chicken pieces, flour, egg, hot sauce, buttermilk, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, baking powder and mixed herbs in order to make the KFC chicken nuggets right at your home. First of all, you gotta marinate chicken pieces. Immerse them in buttermilk and hot sauce and let them rest for about 30 minutes. Take a bowl, add flour to it, along with mix up paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder and baking powder. Mix it all together. Take out a piece of marinated chicken, dip it in cracked egg and then cover it completely with flour mixture. Repeat the process in order to get a fuller coating. Heat oil over a high flame and then deep fry the coated chicken nuggets until they turn golden. The classic KFC chicken nuggets are ready for you to gobble down. Try this recipe at home and share your experience with us. Happy cooking! See you in the next video.